In this video, we show you how to use the graphic tool via the neutral entry access. You can reach it via the tile at the bottom right by clicking on Start. In this area, the functions Selection, Collection, Projects and Configuration PDF are available. The first step is to decide which product you want to inscribe. If you already know the product name, you can enter it in the search field. As an example, we use the LS range from JUNG and enter the article LS990WW. As a result, all articles with the designation LS990WW are displayed for printing. If you do not know the product name, you can simply select the article in the preview. The LS, LC, A, AS, CD and surface-mounted ranges, the 50-50 products and the signal panel are available for selection. If you select the LS range, you can then set various filters to specify the selection. The options available are range selection, product types and color and material. In this example, we use the LS range. Select the rocker under product type and choose white for the color and material. The selection can be cancelled at any time using the X symbol. Because we choose a neutral entry at the beginning, we can now decide in favor of the print or engraving process. Just like on the entry page, we can choose between laser engraving, label printing and color printing. If you activate the label printing option, only the switches that can be labeled are displayed below. If you select laser engraving, the behavior is described above. The same applies to the color printing function. If you remove a property such as white, the search result is adjusted immediately. Once you have decided on the right color, you can select the switches you want to print on. The plus symbol then turns into a green tick. It is also possible to create different projects. In order to create and save the project, a MyJung account must first be created. This makes it easy to manage the projects, and it is possible to save the project as a configuration PDF. Once the desired products have been added to the project, further products can be selected and added to the collection. If you want to view your project or collection, go to the Collection tab, and you will see a list of all products.